Hi, I'm Amos, the founder of Prof of Wall Street. We've all heard the phrase, buy low and sell high, but the phrase, cut your losers and let your winners ride deserves way more attention. This is called the disposition effect. It's widely studied, there's tons of videos about it, but this is the first time in human history you can actually do something about it. Here's how. The disposition effect alone is responsible for a big part of people's underperformance as decision makers. There are lots of papers and videos done about what the disposition effect is, but the Prof of Wall Street team and I built practical tools that can help you diagnose and solve it. So how do I fix the disposition effect? Step 1, analyze your data with Prof of Wall Street's behavioral suite. Create an account, load your data either through a CSV or through an API, and voila, here's a quantitative measure of how the disposition effect is affecting your portfolio performance. Another way of saying this is, how much more money could you make moving forward? Once you've logged in and you want to learn more about it, just click Learn More or read our blog. We have tons of content on this. So if step 1 was diagnosing the problem, step 2 has got to be fixing it. And that's the role of our guided investment tool and coaching from Prof of Wall Street. The goal of any investor is to continually get better and have better portfolio performance with more confidence. And that's exactly what the tools do and exactly what we do at Prof of Wall Street. There's a good chance you want to know whether you have the disposition effect, right? The best thing you can do is sign up at Prof of Wall Street, have your data analyzed and find out, and go from there and become a superhuman investor. I'll see you soon.